Hi and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So firstly, I hope you had a fantastic Christmas. I had a really nice one actually. It was really chilled and yeah, there was just no plan to it. It just all flowed really well. It was lovely, proper family Christmas. So in today's video, I'm actually going to be reviewing a palette that my 17-year-old son got me for Christmas. It's an ODEN'S palette, and this one is the Saga of Freja, chapter 1, Tears of Freja. And I just think these are stunning. I love the artwork. I think that is beautiful. And they've got all different ones. I kind of gave him a rough idea of what I wanted for Christmas. I gave him a few options and he picked this one. But the colours in this are so pretty. So this is what the colour story looks like. It's just stunning. This one's cute, isn't it? It's absolutely beautiful. That's the only word I can describe this, is just beautiful. And I have kind of just had a cheeky little swatch myself, but I'm going to swatch these for you again today. So we've got 4 mattes in here. That one's kind of like, it looks matte, but I think it's got a little slight bit of sparkle through it. 1, 2, 3, and 4 shimmers, so perfect ratio. Right, so I'll give these a quick swatch now. Right, okay, I am so excited to try these out. These are beautiful, really, really pigmented. So pigmented that, look, I messed this one up because I went in too heavy-handed and I didn't need to. So that's why they don't look the best swatches in the world. But look at this one. This is a pastel. This is amethyst, and then we have... Oh, I can't pronounce this one. I think it looks kind of Swedish. Rosenvarts, I think that one is. I'm really, really sorry if I've just butchered that name. This one is Skin. That is actually a matte. I think there was just a bit of sparkle on it, but that's a matte. Pink Ice, Red Coral, Tears, which is kind of like an iridescent topper, Agate, Amber and Timber. Yeah, I have to say these seem really, really nice formulas. Yeah, I'm used to kind of like going in a few times like that and then swatching it like, you know, multiple times just to even it out on my arm. But as I say, I went in too heavy-handed. Just one little swatch on this and just one swipe on my arm and they were absolutely beautiful. Right then, let's get stuck in. I think what I'm going to do is kind of concentrate on the bottom 2, can you see? The bottom 2 rows just here rather than the pastels. Yeah, I'm going to try and sort of make a bit of a warmer look today. So I'm going to start off by going into my crease with Timber, which was this kind of, I'd say it's still a medium brown. Right, look at that stunning colour, and the pigment on that is beautiful. Right, so I'm going to blend the edges of that out using a clean brush. I'm done with the defense, drove back and climbed over your fence, had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders and closed off. Okay, so I actually really, really like how that's gone. So then right on the very inner part of the crease, so kind of right in there, I'm going to use Agate, which was the darker, much warmer brown. I'm going to use a tiny brush for this. So I'm going in with this one here. So it's quite small. Just soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past. Yeah, I like that. And then I'm going to blend that as well. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Yeah, that's really nice. That's really deepened up that crease area. Beautiful. Right, so then on the outer half just here, I think I'm going to go in with this Red Coral shade. I'm going to try it. I don't know how this is going to go, but we're going to give it a go.
could stop us. Sunsets, remember the
They've actually, that's actually really nice. It's blended into those brown shades so nicely. These are really effortless to blend, I have to say. Yeah, really, really nice. And then right on this inner part here, I'm going to go in mainly with my finger, and I'm going in with this shade here, which is Pink Ice. I've changed my mind. I'm going in with the goldy one. So it was amber. So this one here.
we're wrong. It was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I floating on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back.
Yeah, I think that is absolutely beautiful. Really, really nice. I love it. Right, so underneath I'm going to go in with, I think I'm going to use that warmer brown, which was agate. So it was this one here.
Going back to your old life, living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights.
Yeah, very nice. And then on my inner corner and brow bone, I am going in with the one I can't pronounce. So it's this one just here. Oh, that is the perfect brow highlighter shade, and it's really, really nice on that inner corner as well. Yeah, that is beautiful. Right, so I'm just going to go and pop some mascara on, possibly lashes, and I will be back. Okay, and here is the finished look. I really like it. I think this is a really, really nice palette. I love the formula of the eyeshadows. Absolutely stunning. I'm so glad I got this. Or, well, my son bought it for me. But yeah, I'm definitely going to try more of their products out. I had to order it, or I keep saying Kieran had to order it from, I believe it was Sweden or somewhere like that. Correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, so delivery took, I think he said it took about a week to come. But yeah, the postage and packaging was pretty good though. So yeah, that's good. Definitely going to try more, 100%. So here you go. Here's a quick close-up of the eyes. I think it's gone really well. Really impressed with how the mattes blended together. Really impressed by that shimmer. It is so pigmented. Really nice. Obviously, I've gone for the warm tones today, as I said. But in the kind of springtime, maybe I'll dip into the pastels as well. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and would like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? 'Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby.